Welcome to Create and Craft with Katie. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back, and if you're new, I'd love to see you subscribe. Today you won't be seeing me because the lighting is so bad that the camera keeps refocusing. So in fact what we're going to be doing is investigating the basket in front of you, which is a Dollar Tree fall and craft haul. We'll get right into it now. Okay, now I think that this lighting will be better for you to see the products. Now, I went on the hunt for those elusive new 2021 calendars with the beautiful pictures that I've seen a lot of people hauling. Well, finally, after quite a few places, I managed to get some. So I got the Shine Bright in All That You Do. The images are here on the back. Now, I will say that the quality of these calendars is not great. The pictures are fabulous. I love them. However, the paper is quite thin, and I don't know if you can see if I bring it up closer, but it's quite see-through. So certain ones won't be so great put on a white background. We'll work a way around it. But anyway, so we got this one and the Be Brave, which has these great pictures on the back. I have the Simply Blessed. This is the one with the wreaths. This one has been very popular. I've seen people using for DIYs. And I get the elusive Farmer's Market, and these are the pictures on the back of here. I'm sure you've all seen them. Now, I do actually have duplicates of these, and I'm going to be putting them in a giveaway. So if you haven't been able to find them, then you might be able to get one if you win the giveaway. The next items are all for fall decorating, pre-done, but now this is quite random, but this cute little cat card, Halloween card, I have an idea for it. I also have two of the signs, pumpkin spice and everything nice, and the friends gather here for Thanksgiving. I have this cute little blue Scarecrow. I'm thinking I'm going to do something where I take him off the ribbon, but I did like him. I have this metal sign with a bicycle on it. I'm not super into the oranges, but I do love the green, and I think I may mute this down. I'm actually thinking that I may take this off the stand and put it in a wreath. The same with this yard stake. I'm certainly not going to put it outside. They warp too easily. But I think I might take these off the stem and utilize them for a craft. And then I got this. Let's see, can you see him? There he is. It's a blue Scarecrow sign. He matches the little one. I do like this one. I'm thinking I may embellish it a little more. Next thing I have is a rather large collection of flowers. Now, I've been picking these for a while, since they started coming out. Now, I'm not always a huge fan of the Dollar Tree flowers. However, if you pick some classics, you can often find ones that that will work, and definitely the hydrangeas. These look beautiful, and I love the blue, and I also love the green, and I think they look really good together. Now, also the berries, they're a good filler, cutting them off and adding them into a wreath. These I've got like a burlap type finish to them. Then I always like these mini pomegranates. Now these I do like. This year I actually got some of the cotton stems. These ones have the bulrushes on them, and they also have a pine cone. Now, These really, I like these better than the tall stems from the Dollar Tree cotton, because those to me look too plastic. Somewhere in here I thought I had some wheat, but it must have disappeared. I also like these mini mums. These, the trick with these is, if you do like the leaf, is to just, when you use it, is to push it further up. It tends to round the design out a little more. Sometimes I have ones where I don't like the leaves, and so I just take the leaves off and use the flowers as they are. Now I did this year manage to find, now because these are new, these maple leaves. Now I really like these. The acorns are a little bright for my taste, but a bit of paint and that'll cover them over. And these beautiful yellow ones, these ones are more of a mustardy yellow. These are a lighter yellow. I like the berries on these. Also, we had some status. This is that, usually you have this as a dried flower. You grow it in the garden and then you use it in dried flower arrangements. Then I also managed to find some of the dahlias. Now, or dahlias and dahlias, depends whether you're English or American. Now these, again, you need to pick through them. Some of them, the flowers are all mushed up and not good. However, if you're careful and check plenty of stores, you should be able to get them. Plus, I do notice that when you get them home, if you stand them out, they tend to fall back into place. So even if they are a little crushed when you get them, they will fluff out. The next things I found were they're actually ceramic. The pumpkins, they're ones with the initials on them. These were the only two left in my store. It happened to be me and my husband's initials, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use them for the initials, but you can turn them around. These look great in a tiered tray. I'm probably going to put these on my coffee bar. Also, in the fall section, I got this one. I'm thinking this may go in a wreath. If not, this would also stand in a tiered tray. But I do like this one. Also, from the fall section, I managed to pick up some ribbons. I don't often use the Dollar Tree ribbon, but these ones this year seem to be pretty good. So this year's ones I actually really like. This has a type of a burlap look to them. I only picked up 2 of each ribbon. There aren't always that many there anyway, but I'll usually only use them in one project. But sometimes 9 feet isn't enough, so I'll need another. So I got the green one too. Then the burgundy buffalo check. And then some of the narrow. There's this one here with the wheat on it. There's one with the pumpkins. These are grosgrain ribbons. These ones are like the silky type ribbons, so there's just these. Also, I got some of their Halloween ribbons. I just put them, they need to go away. This is why I needed to get the haul done, so I could show you all what I've got. These ones are the Harlequin, little Mackenzie Childish look. You know, a lot of people like Mackenzie Childs. Buffalo check, and then this cute Halloween one. Also in this was actually in the automotive section. I picked up some more of the regular jute twine, and they also had, I haven't seen this one before, a white cotton string. Now I've been using a white jute from Walmart, which I really like, but this is a little thinner, so we're going to see what goes with this. Final 2 items from the fall department were these 2 wooden words. This one's gather and this one is family, and they're that type of pressed wood. They're similar to the the ones that you can get in Hobby Lobby. But of course, these are only $1. And then I moved on to the, oh no, sorry, one more fall, the metal words. This looks like they're bringing them out for every season now. I noticed they had the Halloween ones, but I won't be doing too much Halloween crafting, so I just picked up these. Then I moved on to the Crafter's Square. Picked up some chenille stems, always good for when in bow making. Finally got my hands on some of the wood planks, these 2 signs. These were the only ones. The box was completely empty. I get 3 of the wood circles. I have a couple of ideas for these. I get 3 of the larger size of the wood crate. These are in the Crafter's Square. I know not every Dollar Tree has them, but we have one really big one around here that we usually I can get the stuff out just a little bit out of my way. Then I got some of the canvas panels. Now I haven't seen this particular size before. These ones are 11 by 14, so they're the same size as the Dollar Tree's largest photo frames. Interesting to see what I'm going to do with these. Then in the photo frame section, I find this little plaque. Now I'm not going to use it for that, but I do know what I am going to use it for, and it should be a great project. I also managed to pick up 4 of the little wooden houses. This may be a fall project. It may be a Christmas project. Now, something I found on an end cap. These wooden beads. So I know that they sell the coloured ones, but these ones are actually for hair braids. But I thought that they were a nice colour, and we'll see what we can do with these. Something random, just one of the little ceramic houses. I hadn't found this shape before, so I thought this was cute. For some upcoming projects, I've got 2 more wooden glass candlesticks. I got 4 of the plates. Now, these are a great size. These are 6 inches, and I have a really good dupe coming up for this, for something I saw on QVC. A friend shared with me. I got 3 of these glass vases. I really like the shape of this one. It's different from their regular ones, and in fact I really like the colour. I have already used one in a DIY that I will be showing later, but I may do a trio and leave one of them actually green. And then the last couple of items are, I got a couple of the chopping boards. I'm going to try a technique to turn plastic into looking like wood, so watch out for that. And then I have 2 of the pizza pans. They were bought for a project, and when I got them home they were too big. Anyway, that's really it for today. So with a final glance at all these beautiful flowers that I am getting ready to start crafting with, I will say goodbye for today, and look for a couple more haul videos coming soon. I may split the Walmart one into one of its own, because there was a lot from Walmart. And thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and it's been very nice sharing with you.